This is my first time doing this video. But wait. I'm alive on 6 p.m. Please watch it all. I'm alive for selling or something good. Or, um, you don't wanna miss it. Watch it for CK. Please don't hate me on my life. Don't let me down on my life. Actually, I'm a Filipino. Can you tell me what's your hobby or what do you like to do or something? Please don't lie to your age. Say anything good on my life on 6 p.m. Support me. You don't wanna miss my life because you don't wanna miss our seeds. I'm sorry. You don't wanna miss our seed and our seed and our lives. Sorry if I'm stuttering. I just drink energy drink. And do you guys like chocolate or something? And this is my garden. It's kinda embarrassing to show you guys it. But hey, at least I got the garden. If I didn't find this game, I won't be happy. Cause still a brain rot take it all. That's why Grow Garden is down right now. I feel bad for Grow Garden. Please and please don't hate me. This is my first time doing a video. If you wanna be famous, just like and subscribe.